Welcome back to Car Look. Today, the 2025 Pontiac GTO. This beast brings back the legendary GTO nameplate, fusing its iconic muscle car DNA with cutting-edge performance and modern technology. Pontiac may have been gone for years, but GM has revived this legend in a way that will leave enthusiasts speechless. If you love American muscle, this is the car you've been waiting for. The 2025 Pontiac GTO is a masterpiece of retro-modern design. It takes heavy inspiration from the original 60s and early 70s GTO, yet it looks like a proper 21st century performance machine. At first glance, you're hit with its aggressive stance, wide body and long hood, a true homage to the classic muscle car era. The front fascia is dominated by a bold split grille design, paying tribute to its heritage while incorporating modern LED lighting technology. The quad LED headlamps have a menacing look, and the functional hood scoops ensure maximum airflow to the beastly power plant underneath. Moving along the sides, the 2025 GTO retains the muscular proportions that made the original a legend. The sculpted fenders house massive 20-inch lightweight, forged aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot sport tires. The flared wheel arches give it an aggressive planted look, while functional side vents provide additional cooling for the high-performance engine. The low-slung roofline and wide-stance screen power, while a subtle GTO badge on the front fenders reminds everyone that this is no ordinary muscle car. At the rear, the design is just as striking. A modern take on the iconic split taillights gives a nod to the classic GTO, while the aggressive rear diffuser and quad exhaust tips emphasize its high-performance nature. The retractable rear spoiler dynamically adjusts for optimal downforce, ensuring stability at high speeds. The combination of retro cues and modern aerodynamic enhancements makes this car a true work of art on wheels. Step inside, and the 2025 Pontiac GTO takes you to a world where nostalgia meets innovation. The interior is a perfect blend of vintage muscle car charm and state-of-the-art technology. The driver-focused cockpit features a flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in premium Alcantara with paddle shifters for precise control. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying real-time performance metrics, G-force readings, and driving modes tailored for different road conditions. The seats are crafted from high-quality Nappa leather, with contrast stitching and integrated heating and cooling functions. The classic T-shaped center console from the original GTO makes a return, now housing a futuristic 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and GM's latest performance data recorder. Old-school toggle switches for climate control and drive mode selection bring a sense of nostalgia, while an advanced Bose sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, whether it's music or the raw symphony of the engine. Let's talk performance, because the 2025 Pontiac GTO is not just about looks, it's an absolute monster on the road. Under the hood lies a 6.6-liter supercharged V8, producing a mind-blowing 750 horsepower and 680 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is paired with either a 10-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual for those who crave an old-school driving experience. The GTO launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.1 seconds, and it tears through the quarter mile in just 10.6 seconds. These numbers put it in the league of modern supercars, while still staying true to its muscle car roots. Handling has also been taken to the next level. The 2025 GTO rides on a lightweight aluminum chassis with adaptive magnetic ride control, providing razor-sharp cornering ability without sacrificing comfort. The Brembo carbon ceramic brakes ensure superior stopping power, while an advanced rear-wheel drive system with an electronic limited-slip differential delivers maximum traction and control. For track enthusiasts, GM offers a performance package that includes upgraded aerodynamics, a more aggressive suspension setup, and track-ready tires. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Pontiac GTO isn't just a powerhouse, it's a serious competitor in the high-performance market. The base model starts at around $90,000, and offering an incredible blend of power, luxury, and heritage. For those looking to fully max out performance with the track-focused package and all the premium upgrades, the price can climb up to $120,000, and while that may put it in the range of some European exotics, the GTO offers something they can't: a pure American muscle car experience with a soul-stirring V8 soundtrack. Safety and technology are also key factors in the 2025 GTO. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for precise maneuvering. The integrated performance data recorder lets drivers capture and analyze their driving sessions, making it a fantastic tool for those who love taking their car to the track. So, what do you think of the 2025 Pontiac GTO? Has GM successfully revived the legend? Would you take this over the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon or the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to CarLook, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the most exciting cars on the planet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.